When someone insults you, your first instinct might be to fight back or lose your cool. But here's the truth. Reacting only gives them power. If you want to win without even fighting, here are 5 psychology-backed tips to stay calm when someone insults you. Tip 1. Pause before you react. Take a deep breath and give yourself a moment. This pause creates space between their words and your emotions. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind. Tip 2. Remember, it's about them, not you. Insults usually reflect the other person's insecurities. When you realize their words are a mirror of their own issues, it becomes much easier to ignore. Tip 3. Use the power of silence. Silence is powerful. When you don't respond, you send a clear message that their words don't define you. This is emotional strength at its best. Tip 4. Respond with calm confidence. If you must reply, do it with composure. A calm, controlled response disarms the other person and shows you're not easily shaken. Tip 5. Protect your energy. Not every battle is worth fighting. Learn to walk away and save your energy for the things that truly matter. That's real self-control. Insults don't define your worth. Your reaction does. So stay calm, stay strong, and let your silence speak louder than their words. And hey, if this helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and don't miss the next psychology hack that can change the way you think.